Welcome to Door County Drone. Tonight's flight is of the Wilfred Sykes, in for a propeller repair at Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding, Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Watch the workers changing one of the blades on this historic vessel. Now a little history on the Wilfred Sykes. The Wilfred Sykes is a remarkable vessel with a storied history in the Great Lakes shipping industry. She was built at Lorain, Ohio by American Shipbuilding Company, launched in 1949. This self-unloading bulk freighter has become an iconic presence on the waters of the Great Lakes. Named after the president of the Inland Steel Company at the time, Wilfred Sykes. This ship has undergone several transformations and upgrades over the years to maintain its operational excellence. Measuring 678 feet in length, the Wilfred Sykes boasts a distinctive appearance with its classic Great Lakes freighter design. It features a single deck with a pilot house and crew cabins at the forward end, while the cargo holds and self-unloading equipment dominate the aft section. The ship's hull is painted the traditional inland steel colors, with a white superstructure rising above the main deck. One of the most notable features of the Wilfred Sykes is its self-unloading system. Equipped with a series of conveyor belts, the ship has the capability to unload its cargo of bulk materials directly onto docks or conveyor systems at receiving terminals. This efficiency has made the vessel a preferred choice for transporting materials throughout the Great Lakes region. The Wilfred Sykes has a rich history of service, hauling various cargoes, including iron ore, coal, and limestone, to support industries in the Midwest. Its reliability and adaptability have allowed it to thrive through changing times and economic fluctuations, cementing its status as a true workhorse of the Great Lakes. Over the decades, the ship has undergone several updates and refurbishments to keep up with modern shipping standards. These improvements have included the installation of more environmentally friendly equipment and compliance with safety regulations. In addition to its utilitarian role, the Wilfred Sykes has also garnered a following among ship enthusiasts and photographers who appreciate its classic design and enduring presence on the Great Lakes. The vessel has become a symbol of the region's maritime heritage, representing the vital role that shipping has played in the development and sustenance of the industrial heartland of North America. As the Wilfred Sykes continues to sail the Great Lakes, it stands as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of vessels in the face of changing times and technologies. With a history spanning over 7 decades, this iconic ship remains a cherished part of the Great Lakes maritime tradition, carrying on its legacy as a symbol of strength and endurance on the open waters.
Elevating Door County's beauty, one flight at a time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.